Hi guys, in today's video I am going to tell you about my trading journey. At the age of 19, I like many others started investing in stocks that many people invest in. Fortunately, since the markets did well in 2010, I profited from those investments. After getting inspired by Warren Buffett in my prime, I did an internship to learn the basic valuation of companies only to realize that fundamental analysis was definitely not my cup of tea. Since fundamentals did not work for me, I moved to technical analysis, and after learning it thoroughly, I thought that I could predict the market. I began to overanalyze stocks and took random trades but wasn't making any consistent income. And then came a lucky and life-changing moment for me. In August 2016, I did extensive research on Just Dial and found the stock to be extremely bearish. The logic was Alexa rank was dropping, SEC 13F filing showed US-based ETF exiting Just Dial. I was heavily short on Just Dial and it dropped by almost 40% within months. To my surprise, I made 300% within 2 months. This trade completely changed my life and compelled me to start my journey as a trader. Ecstatic with my previous trade, I entered into full-time trading, but with previous success, I got complacent. I started taking random trades and gave most of the profits back. I realized that I need more knowledge to be able to do this full-time for a living. To learn more, I did a small stint with a quantitative trading firm that made me realize the importance of system and data-driven trading. This started my journey towards quantitative trading. I founded Quantify Capital, a quantitative research and trading firm. We started trading with our own capital with quantitative and volatility-based strategies. Next, I successfully completed all levels of CFA, which is the most respected designation in finance and gold standard in the field of investments. I then launched FinSense, an initiative by Quantify Capital to spread financial literacy across the country. Its mission is to help people to be their own advisors and make independent investment decisions backed solely by data. I also started the Trade Room with a vision to build a trading community and mentor budding traders and help them become more system-driven traders. In order to fulfill my mission of FinSense, I kickstarted my teaching career of educating people about quantitative trading at the top IITs and IIMs in the country. Meanwhile, I also built a top-notch tech team which handles and powers the extensive data-driven research done at Quantify Capital. I was also approached by large multi-million-dollar trading firms to train their traders, and therefore I started training the largest trading desk of the country on system-driven and algorithmic trading. I also became the youngest member on the panel Disruptive Innovation in Finance. The panel included the who's who of the investment industry. I am extremely humbled to be invited on this panel. My future plans are build a successful broking business, take Trade Room online to reach more traders, provide tech support and backtesting infrastructure to retail traders, start my own blog and YouTube channel on investments and trading, this video being the first one on this. That's my journey with a fair share of ups and downs. My trading philosophy that I swear by is successful trading is equal to robust strategy plus money management plus discipline plus risk management. To be updated about further developments and track the research and trading work at Quantify Capital, you can follow me on Twitter or on LinkedIn.